Assalamualaikum.
Walaikum assalam. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
Yeah, I'm good. Thank you very much. And mashallah, congratulations. And yesterday you have been completing 19 chapters. Mashallah, mashallah. La quwwata illa billah. Mashallah. And how you feeling?
Good.
Good. Okay. Mashallah. Good. In which class do you study?
First.
Are you ready to read dua?
Yes.
Okay, good. Now I'm going to share this screen. First of all, before share this screen, may I introduce my lovely student Umar Farouk from Spain. Umar Farouk from Spain. How old are you?
6.
6. Okay, mashallah, good. And what's your favorite color and book to read?
Favorite color blue.
Mm-hmm.
No. And stories.
Okay, good. Right. So now I'm going to share my laptop screen in front of you. Okay, Umar, can you see this page?
Yes.
Okay, read Tawuz and Tasmiya and Rabbi Shrahli. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي ربي زدني علما.
परवरदिगार मेरा सीना खोल दे और मेरे काम को मेरे लिए आसान कर दे और मेरी जुबान की गिरा सुलझा दे ताकि लोग मेरी बात समझ सकें.
Ameen.
Now read, he Musa alayhi salam said.
He Muslim said, My Lord, open up for me my chest, and ease for me my task, and untie the knot from my tongue, that they may understand my speech.
Okay, mashallah. Okay, well, today we are going to start begin chapter number 20 right now. And you will read one verse and I will tell you their rules. Okay? So now
Okay.
read this one.
أمن خلق السماوات والأرض وأنزل لكم من السماء ماء فأنبتنا به حدائق ذات ذات بهجة مكان لكم أن تنبتوا شجرها
Bitu
أن تنبتوا شجرها
shajaraha.
شجرها
Read again.
إلى
Read from here.
أن
Bitu shajaraha. Read it.
تنبتوا شجرها أإلى هم عوا بل هم قوم يعزلون
Okay, good.
أما
Thank you. So listen, be carefully, okay? And now I'm going to tell you the different rules, okay? How to apply and how to read these rules. Okay, this is the Hashum letter and Mimu Shadda, this is the Mimu Shadda is a Hashum letter and you make Gunna on Mimu Shadda. What is the Gunna? To take sound into your nose and hold and pause for a moment. It's called a nasalization. So this is a man and you make izhar here because after a nun sakina throttle letter is appearing. This is the throttle letter and there were 6 throttle letters. So the ha is one of them and this noon sound you will read clearly. Man khalaqas samawati wal arda. You will stretch a little bit on meme and wow because they both have a standing zabar on them. Okay, and you will read this scene with the extra stress because this scene has a tashdid sign, W sign, and with zabar. Wal arda. Zala, you make a ikfa here because after the nun sakina, za letter is appearing, and there were 15 ikfa letters, and za is one of them. You make ikfa here. Zala lakum nas-samai ma. Okay, this is the idgham shafwi here because after a meme sakina another meme is appearing, and you read in Qaida, Madani Qaida English, noon meme sakinans rule. They were three: idgham shafwi, ikfa shafwi, and izhar shafwi. So this is the one of them is idgham shafwi here, and you make gunna on meme mushadda. لكم من السماء. This is a madde muttasil here, and you read there are a lot of maddas: madde muttasil, madde munfasil, madde lazim, madde leen aris, madde aris, and etc etc. Okay, so this is the madde muttasil here because the letter Hamza is appearing in the same word. So this is a Madde Muttasil here. It is also Madde Muttasil. And Waqfan, how will you read? Ma. Okay, because this is the Waqf jazz here. Okay, look, this is a tani jim coming in the middle of the words, and this is the Waqf jazz here. It's better to stop, but also permissible to continue. Next. فَأَنبَتْنَا بِهِ. You make iqlab here, okay? Iqlab, noon, sakin, and tanween. They had 4 rules, okay? And izhar, ikfa, idgham, and iqlab. So this is the one of them. فَأَنبَتْنَا بِهِ حدائق. Okay, this is a madda muttasil. That, okay, this is a alif madda here because there is a zabar before alif, and alif become alif madda. That bahjah, bahjah. Okay, waqfan you will read bahjah. If you have a long breath, then you can continue. Okay, then how will you read? If you continue, then how will you read? I will tell you. Okay, you will read like that. And a waqfan, because this is a waqf jaz here, then how will you read the last letter ta to zeratin, or would be converted into ha sakina bahja. Ma, this is the alif madda. Ka, this is the alif madda. Ma kana lakum. You make ikfa here. Bitu iqlab. You make iqlab here. This is a waw madda here. Shajaraha. Okay, this is alif madda. And waqf mutlaq here because this is a tiny ta coming in the middle of the words, and you must definitely stop there. Ilahum ma'allah. Okay, you make idgham here because after tanween mim mushadda is coming, idgham with gunna. Hum ma'allah. Waqfan you will read ma'allah because this is the waqf mutlaq here. Bal hum qawmun ya'dilun. This is the idgham with the harufi yarmalun, and you make idgham with gunna. Ya'dilun. Harufi Yarmalun, they were 6 Harufi Yarmalun, and one of them after the Tanween Mim Ya Mushadda is appearing. Loon. You okay? You make a Madhyar is here, and this is a Waqf Tam and Waqf Mutlaq. MashaAllah. And my dear students, my dear viewers, students, teachers, if you like this video, please, 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 this is my humble request to all of you who are watching this video. Please share it on different social medias, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, WhatsApp, Facebook, and Instagram. It will be very thankful to you for this favor. Thank you very much for watching. Okay, Umar. See you tomorrow. Take care. Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.